Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chemistry with DB. So today in this video I'm going to explain to you about the benzene structure and also about the weird dream which actually led to the Kekule model. Kekule was the pioneer actually who gave the structure for benzene, and with little bit of tinkering the model still prevails. Now, benzene was discovered in 1825 by Michael Faraday, a scientist, and he gave the formula that it was a 6 carbons and 6 hydrogen atoms. So, this was a hydrocarbon which had only carbon and hydrogen atoms, molecular formula being C6H6. Now, this kept scientists puzzled for a very long time as to what could be the structure, because too few hydrogen atoms if you take into account the 6 carbon atoms there. Now, for 40 years, scientists kept puzzled with this one, and then the Kekule, a German scientist, he had a dream, a weird dream, that a snake was trying to bite its own tail. And he said, voila, there are 6 carbons in a ring structure. And so it's a 6 carbon hexagon, and each carbon here is bonded to 2 carbons and 1 hydrogen. And then in order to explain as to how come each carbon has got 4 bonds, he said that there are alternating 3 CC and 3 double bonds. So the mystery about C6H6, the molecular formula, was solved, and this model did prevail for quite a few decades. However, this model, the Kekule model, the scientists came up with the objection that if this is unsaturated with 3 double bonds, then how come benzene does not decolorize bromine water? Which was a very valid argument. So Kekule, for some time, he said that because the model keeps flipping between, the double bond keeps flipping from here to here, and this is why the density of electrons is not sufficient to decolorize bromine water. In order to watch as to how this Kekule model was disproved, please watch the next video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to see you on my next videos.